Hello, and welcome to this quick demo, and in this video I want to quickly go over some of our AI features that we've implemented into Attaxa. So the very first one will be our AI payload generation tool. So if we click on that there, what you can do is you can provide the AI model some initial payloads. So we can just type in like just a couple of basic XSS payloads, just very basic. And what the AI model will do is use this data to generate new unique payloads. So if we just do something like that, very basic, I don't know, just that for an example, we can select the vulnerability category. So this is XSS, so cross-site scripting. So we'll click on that. And we can also provide, encoding. So if we want like the AI to generate payloads that have your own coding or double your own coding, we can select one of these. But I'm just going to use the default settings. So if we click on generate and we just wait a bit, we're using Hugging Face. So we were originally using, I think, AI Google Studio. Then we moved on to OpenAI, but they are like really, really expensive. You have to pay per input tokens you use and per output tokens that get generated. So the tokens are just characters. So like, for instance, this less than symbol is just a token. And if you've got like thousands and thousands of tokens, um, that's going to cost a lot of money. So we thought if we want to scale this, these AI features, we need to stay away from all these other third-party providers that just cost too much money. And we want to do something that's free and something that we can use and fine-tune, ourselves. So with Hugging Face, they've got like tons of models that you can just, fine-tune yourself with your own data. So they make it very easy to do, like to fine-tune models, and really easy to integrate. So it's really good. And as you can see here, like the AI results, they're not always 100% accurate, but they're good. They're good enough. Um, we're still playing around with some of this. Like we haven't fine-tuned the model we're using for this AI stuff. So when we do eventually fine-tune this model that we're using with our like a ton of XSS payloads and all that, it's going to be a lot more better. It's got a few ones, like it's got some, and only generates 20. Yeah, and we can copy these. That the copy works. Moving on to the AI word list generation. So again, the same thing as the payload generation, but except we just put in some initial paths. Now we're just going to put in maybe a few AM paths. So we'll do like content, damn. We'll do etsy.client libs, and maybe just content, damn, user generated, something like this. Again, we could just click generate, and it's going to go ahead and hopefully generate some new AM routes or paths or pages. But yeah, the thing is like some of the output, like some of the generations, some of the generated results might not really match up to like it might not be really like it might not be valid AM paths. So again, you can't really trust the AI, like the AI results like 100%. Like you can't just rely on it. So, but you can use it as like kind of a starting point or just something like it's a tool. It's not like something that you base your work on. It's just a tool that can help you with your work. Um, but yeah, the output's not always going to be 100% accurate, and you'll see once this generation is complete, you'll see what I mean. So we'll just wait here. Wait for it to complete. I think it actually generates 100 routes. I can't remember. We'll have a look. Okay, I've okay. I can't show you this one because I don't want to have to remake this video. But I had an error, and I need to probably look back at that and fix that up. Hopefully the again exploit suggester, we can actually I could show you this one. So let's just put in like a domain here or URL. So what you can do is if you type in the URL, just say like this, and you click generate, it's going to go through. Yeah, wow, I've got an error there as well. That's unfortunate. Well, I know that the report generation works. I don't think the demo gods are with me today, so damn. But let's have a look at the report generation. Hopefully this works. If this works, you know, I'll give a little bit of credit to the demo gods. More bugs tomorrow to fix. Joys of being a developer. And this one does take the longest, but that's because there's a lot of input tokens that it needs to, you know, generate the report from. Luckily, it's not all that long. Like it doesn't take all that long, but let's just see. But there, this is going to be like a really good one for like enterprises and even like, well, yeah, mainly penetration testers and enterprises that need to like generate reports for their clients or, you know, yeah. And we're not using like Open AI. So if we were to use Open AI, it would be like, it would, it'd take like seconds for it to complete. But the problem with that is it costs a lot of money. Because if you've got, like I said earlier, a large number of input tokens and you need to generate a large number of output tokens, yeah, it's not going to be cheap. But at least with what we're doing with the AI now, it's cheap. It's free unless we want to pay a subscription to do like some other stuff, which we don't want to. This is taking a lot longer than usual, so let's just reload the page here. Yeah, wow, okay. Hopefully it does it now. Okay, it's really weird how that that happens, but yeah, as you can see here, the report, the report got generated, and yeah, like it's actually pretty good. I love it. I actually do really like it. I've only told the AI to generate the executive summary, the scope, and the vulnerabilities along with some like resources. I haven't told it to do anything else, but I can tell it to do other things like, I don't know, show us like a risk matrix or I don't know, show us whatever, whatever a penetration test report would have, we could tell it to do that. We do have the print report button, which will just open up like, a Microsoft print to PDF. You can just print it from here. But excuse me, we do want to add in like a feature where we can convert this markdown to a PDF, which we then click like download PDF or print PDF, and it will like download a PDF file, and it will be like it will be pretty. It won't just be like if you have a look here, it looks disgusting. Like we could do better than that, and even like something like have a like all penetration testing reports they have like the logo at the very on the first page with like the title of the they have the title, then they have like the date that the penetration test was performed. We could even do something like that. But yeah, as we go down here, it shows you like um, the first one, improper input validation, cross-site scripting. It tells you the parameters that were tested too. So the category, yep, that was tested. The request isn't this isn't like 100% accurate. This is easy to fix. I can work on this, but yeah, this is basically the HTTP request, and this is the URL. So just ignore like this format. It's not a post request. The URL isn't in the post data. So don't think about that. But yeah, you can see it provides references as well. Yeah, wow. Do these links exist? Let's have a look. Whoops. Okay, these links don't really work, but yeah, it would have been awesome if they worked. I don't know what's going on there, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a little bit different now because I accidentally went back. But you can see like how like yeah, it's just amazing. Like it generated a full on like report. It's crazy. Yeah, it even gives you some remediation recommendations and yeah, wow, this is amazing. I love it. Okay, this all worked. That's good. So I knew I knew this one. And yeah, this is these some links are invalid, so that's annoying. But yeah, like it's so cool. And we can go to the edit here and we can change some of this. Hopefully it works. Whoops. Yeah, so the edit doesn't quite work, so I'll have to note that. But yeah, that's all I pretty much wanted to show you. It's just some of the progress of the AI stuff. But yeah, it's really good. I'm loving it. Yeah. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, just stay tuned until we have, you know, we have it in production and we're ready to onboard some customers. I'll let you know if you can like do some QA testing. But yeah, it's getting along really nicely. Yeah, I hope you enjoy your day, your afternoon, and yeah, catch you later.